In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can edit the new Christmas 2024 email and SMS to get that ready to send to your clients to finish the year off. First of all, you'll need to go into the engine, into the packs area as an admin user, and you will need to update or install the special events pack. This will give you all of the special event emails that we install into your account throughout the year. I'm going to hit the update pack and let that install the new templates. Once that has been completed, you'll be able to go into Engine, into your templates, and inside the email search section, search 2024 to see the ones that we've installed for this year. You'll see the 2024 dark version, 2024 light version, Merry Christmas templates. Click the Edit option to see the template design, which will have your logo, the image, and the text. To edit the text, simply hit the Edit option. You'll need to highlight the text here, and you'll be able to make changes to the text by simply changing the font color to black. And when you are finished making all of your edits, highlight all of the font again and change it back to white. Once the text has been changed and you're happy with the wording, hit the Save option. If you're going to use the light version, you'll do the same process. Hit the Edit, select the Edit option to the text. You won't need to change the font color here, but just make the changes that you require and hit Save. We'll also have an SMS in your account to send. Go into the SMS templates, type 2024, and you will see the Merry Christmas SMS for 2024. Hit the Edit option to see the standard text. If you would like to make changes to this, simply edit the text and hit the Save option. You can see that the estimated credit spend for this SMS is 5 credits. Once you have made the changes to your templates, let's look at who we should be sending this to. And the idea around the Christmas communication is that we send this out to our whole database. So if you go into Clients and you would like to schedule your email and SMS to be sent, you'll then load all the clients and hit Send Email, and you will filter to how many people you have a valid email for, and you will type 2024 and pick the email template that you want to use. We will go with the light version. Once the template is loaded, you can pick to send this from a certain email address or user in your office, but most of the time you will want to pick a dynamic send, which sends it from the agent, who is the primary agent of the client. In this case, most of you will want to send this later, so hit the Send Later option. You might like to pick the last day of work for your office and set a time of around 5 p.m. You can then confirm how many people it's going to. So at the top, mine is going to 26 people, so I need to confirm 26. I now have this booked in to send 20th of the 12th at 5 p.m. and I can hit Send Email, and it is now scheduled in to go to the 26 people. Now with your SMS, we ideally like you to send that to all of your clients again. It's the one time of the year that you communicate with everyone in your database, wishing them well for the holiday period. To do that, follow the steps. Go to Clients, select Send, SMS. It will load everyone that has a mobile number. Again, you can type 2024 in the template, select your Merry Christmas 2024. You should have already edited the template, so you can hit Update and see an example of it. You can pick the certain person you want it to come from. If it's a dedicated person mobile number, you want all the messages to come from. Most of the time, you'll use the primary assigned agent. And again, let's pick a send later. I'm going to do this at the 20th, and we will send this one just at a different time at 6 p.m. We can confirm it's going to 30, and then I can hit Send SMS. So now we have on the 20th of 12th my email going to all of the clients in my locked on account, and we have an SMS going to all of the clients with a mobile number at 6 p.m.